Holy cow, I'm in Atlanta and I'm getting ready to go take a tour of the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. I'm so excited. This place is amazing. I can't even explain. I gotta go find where I'm supposed to be going. But just driving up here, it is amazing. This is massive. And oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm here. Let's go in. I'm walking in. Oh my goodness. Look how big it is. So the team stores are open on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so we'll get to go in there, and it is just, I don't know, it's empty. It's only me and one other person on the tour. I'm just blown away by being in here. I can't even imagine what it would be like with the seats filled and the game going on. Looks like they're doing some field maintenance and painting. I'm not sure what the tour is going to consist of, but I hope that we get to go down and go on the field and touch it. I just hope that the greatness, the beauty of all of this comes across on this video. It is just absolutely gorgeous and amazing. As I'm waiting for my tour, I'm watching the cleaning crew, and this place is immaculate. Like, this is crazy just to watch them clean every cubby, under every seat, and they're all over the stadium. We are going up, 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 up. Oh my goodness.
And 90 pieces of artwork around that building. This is one of the bigger canvases up around the building. The artist who did this is called Mr. Brainwash, is the name he goes by. This piece is called Life is Beautiful. And who you see up there are a lot of faces that can be associated with the state of Georgia, the city of Atlanta. And I'll tell you pretty much, well, I will tell you all of those faces exactly who they are. We'll go from left to right. Have you ever heard of Mr. Hank Aaron?
Yes.
Home run king of Major League Baseball as far as we're concerned here with my Atlanta Braves. That's Mr. Hank Aaron. Right there are the two men I mentioned to you that actually started the company Home Depot. The gentleman with the glasses on was Mr. Bernie Marcus. While you've been in town, if you happen to go to the Georgia Aquarium, he built the Georgia Aquarium.
Oh, wow.
Mr. Marcus, yes ma'am. Plus, the whole entire time you're in the building. That's just one of our refill stations there. We have Coke, we sell Coke products here. There is no limit as to how many you choose to get while you got your cup in your hand inside the building.
All right, we're trying to go into a suite here. We're gonna see if we can get in.
By the way, no matter where we go in the building, we're always on camera. Come on in.
Oh my goodness.
It's two levels. The ground level and the second level on top. This is one of the first Mercedes-Benz cars that was ever built.
Oh my goodness.
And you can probably, well, you probably can. You can go on YouTube and pull up Mr. Arthur Blank's.
This is one of the owner suites.
Okay. You look across there, that big huge suite right there is Mr. Blank's suite. Again, it's two levels. That's the first level of it. And right above it is a whole other level. Come on, guys. This Halo board, when we opened in 2017, was the largest Halo display board ever built. It's planned and designed, again, prior to ever building the stadium. Again, we wanted the stadium to be super energy efficient. And again, the team that he put together made that happen.
The chandeliers of football. It is so beautiful in here.
Artwork here, all along the walls, artwork along the way. There's there's more pieces of artwork in this particular, obviously his suite area. Called LEEDs. LEEDs stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. On the last certification, guys, we received platinum certification. There is no other stadium that you'll enter into in the U.S. or anywhere else in the world that has platinum certification. Every 67. I think there's 5 of these in the world. We got one here.
Oh my gosh.
And then I had a guest here that was from San Diego. They said one of them was at the San Diego airport too. I don't know that, but that's what the guest told me. I know there are only 5 of them that they did. I know we have one of the 5. Yeah, every 60 seconds, all those tans will realign, 120 realign, and give you the time it is. There's only one person in the building allowed to touch this clock and adjust it when things kind of get off. Reset it when time changes, such and such that. One guy is allowed to do it. Is it 135? That's what it says.
Is it 135?
There you go. Things that really we normally don't take people to see because none of these things are locked up. So absolutely. And it's got the artist name on here who did it, which I think the really
Gabor?
Yeah, however you want to go.
You want to say that?
I know it's from Budapest, Hungary. I'll just leave it at that. He's from Budapest.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, we keep everything really, really apart all the
This is the locker room.
For the game. Let's see what's wrong. We can go out and take a look at the field. Go ahead.
We're going out to the field. Pillars up there, that's what actually opens up. We can't open our roof. It takes under 9 minutes to open or close that roof. Okay.
We have to have rules as to when we can open the roof, guys. Obviously the weather has to be fantastic. Can't have any rain out there forecast. Wind has to be below a certain speed, temperature. And a unique factor is both teams have to agree that they want the roof open.
Okay, we get to go into the Delta Club. Look at that ceiling. It is supposed to resemble a falcon's wing. And the Delta Sky Club. I can see myself being part of the Delta Sky Club. Wow. Now we're going to go into the soccer team Atlanta United's locker room.
This is the locker room of Atlanta United. If you'd like to sit down while we're inside, you can definitely take a seat on the bench if you like, not a problem. This locker room again, state of the art, guys. Same thing, it has some of this, obviously the soccer team is a smaller team than it's like 53 players for the Falcons. I think Atlanta has like 23 players, smaller players. Yeah, but some of the same amenities. Every player has their own cold tub back there, guys. It's where they do all their health needs of players for Atlanta United. We're going to circle back down. We have a big, huge spike here. We call it the golden spike. It's just a replica of it right here. We bring it out before the start of each soccer match. We bring it out on the field level out there, and it's carried in by the fans. It's put down into this little spike thing, and the celebrity chosen for each soccer match to hit the spike 3 times. For A, T, L, which kicks off the soccer match. A big train horn goes off. because again, this whole thing about Atlanta being kind of founded on the intersection of the train, several trains coming in all directions, kind of like one of the founding things of the city. High school that play girls flag football here in the state of Georgia. Each one of those high schools are represented by a flag up there, and you only need one guess to know who's the largest contributor to that organization. Again, Mr. Arthur Blank. You see his quote right there from Mr. Blank right there. Over 400 high schools that play boys tackle football here in the state of Georgia. Each one of their helmets is represented on this side here. Both the girls and the boys play all of the state championship games right here on the field we just came off of.
We made it to the team store after the tour. Oh my goodness. So cool to be in here. Again, sports fan, Falcons fan, whatever fan you are, it's just cool to have these experiences. Falcons memorabilia is downstairs and Atlanta United upstairs. And they have their whole section as well. When we started this video, they were clearing the white lines on the field, and this is the end of the video. About an hour and a half tour it was, and the lines are all gone. They're getting ready for Atlanta United game coming up, and it's amazing how they can just switch the field over like that. On to the next game. My tour is over, and I have to say, some of the best $34 I've ever spent. Again, doesn't matter what team you're part of, just to come in here and see a structure like this is amazing. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.